Word up, you know? I roll solo from state to state. Ha ha. Word up, you know?
Welcome back. Life is good, loving life, feeling good, feeling great. How are you? Salute to the new wave. I'm in a great mood. It seems things just keep getting better when everything was already going good. I've always been working as hard as I work, but even harder when everything is riding on my shoulder. For some reason, I thought this good thing would come to an end sooner or later. Don't ask me why. It's just how some things have turned out for me in my past. Then I realized lately, these last few years, it seems to always be getting better because you get out what you put in. And since I haven't stopped grinding, neither has the demand for my services. Many men don't wish death upon me, but many of you are scared to death of that polisher. Gotta face your fears, dominate what used to be barriers, then admire your results. Figure out what you can do to improve next time. Best believe, every time you will learn something new when handling that polisher. That DA is great, but that polisher gets to the point fast, and we know time is money. And if you stay scared, that's probably how you roll in life too. But don't forget, big risk, big reward, people. Of course, most importantly, I discussed with the customer's expectations. He knows this is an old Mack truck, wants to get it painted soon, but while it's on the job site, he wants it looking up to par for the time being. He's not looking for perfection. He understands I'm charging for my time, and it's all about the amount of hours being put into this project. Almost 5 hours to be exact. Or we could have gotten real detail, but that's not what this customer wants. So the game plan and price is set. In the beginning, proper tools on deck. Let's get it. at boot camp has had a few trial runs. So far so good. Detail heads is reaching out. Salute. Jockeying for position in this gotta see it to believe it campaign. Scheduled dates being set up and showing out. What you will learn and see, nobody can take from you. Works if you work it. Again, sometimes you just gotta see it to believe it. Sky's the limit. Touch bases. Let's set it up. Many times, in order to level up, you're gonna have to step outside your comfort zone, lose hours at work, set aside the time, write it out. Most importantly, see it being done live and in person. New Wave Facebook group, salute. Camden, salute. It's that season. If the weather is nice and you're not working, you need to question your drive. No excuses.